Before you begin, remove the access panel, memory fan duct assembly, M.2 solid-state drives if installed, and all PCI cards. Removal. Important: make careful note of the location of all cables connected to the system board for later replacement. Disconnect all cables from the system board. Remove the 8 T15 Torx head screws that secure the system board to the chassis. While grasping the processor heatsink, carefully lift the system board slightly and slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the chassis. Lift the system board straight up and out of the chassis. Replacement. Note: if you are installing a new system board, remove the following from the old system board and install onto the new system board: real-time clock, RTC, battery, processor and heatsink, memory modules. Carefully insert the system board into the chassis and slide the external connectors into the cutouts in the chassis. Replace the 8 T15 Torx head screws that secure the system board to the chassis. Connect all cables to the system board. Important: after system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the computer, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings,